Today I'm going to be working on the LG washing machine front load model number WM2101HW. And what happened was we were doing laundry the other day and it shut off in the middle of its cycle. So the first thing I'm going to try to do is reset the computer, and you do that by unplugging the power cord, pressing the power button for 5 seconds, pressing the play button for 5 seconds, and plugging the power cord back in. As you can see, nothing happened, so that leads me to suspect that my motherboard EBR38163357 has failed. So I will be changing that today, and I'll be showing you how easy it can be done. First thing you're going to want to do is remove the top cover, and that is being held on by 2 Phillips screwdrivers, one right here. Don't lose them. One right here. Once you do that, you should be able to slide top up and off. Set it off to the side. Now the part that we are out to replace is this box right here. We want to take the old one out and we're going to put the new one in. And that right there will fix our washing machine problem. Now the first things that you want to do is make sure, of course, that the washing machine is unplugged. And the second thing we're going to do is we're going to remove this Phillips head screw right here, which is going to remove our pressure sensor, and remove this hose from this clip right here. So Phillips, this pops out. I like to put my screw back in so I know where it's at. We're gonna push down on this right here and unclip that. We're gonna open this up and remove our pressure switch out of the way. After that, you want to go to the back side of the washing machine. You're going to want to remove this Phillips screwdriver right here, which is holding the motherboard in place, and then these tabs right here need to be slid to the left and up, and the motherboard should pop out. Alright, so we're going to remove the Phillips head screwdriver. Don't lose it. And we're going to slide it and up. That's it. She's loose. Alright, once you get it loose, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tabs on that unit right there that you need to open up so you can get access to the connectors. Just like so. So from here we're looking at the inside of the motherboard now. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 plugs that need to come undone. And they're real easy to do. All you gotta do is get you a little flathead screwdriver pick or something, and just start popping them off one at a time. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. And that's what it looks like right there. And I don't know, you can't really tell if this is burnt up or anything. It looks brand new. The only thing I could see is it's got this little black spot right there, and I bet that right there is the culprit. So from here on out, everything that we have done up to this point is going to be done back in reverse order. This is the new motherboard or control switch or computer that I got for it, and I'll show you how to reinstall everything back in and get you back to doing laundry. Alright, so back in reverse order. There's the first plug. Black plug. Yellow plug. White plug. White plug. All the plugs are pretty much color coded, and it's real easy. You'll see where they go. It's not hard at all. Okay, blue plug right there. Plug. We got these two right here. It's a pink plug. And this one. Alright, so everything's plugged in. Now the easiest way I found to put the cover back on is try to lay it flat like that. And what you want to do is you want to get these wires, and they're going to run through this little cutout right here. And then these wires are going to run through this cutout right here. And you should just be able to drop the cover right on top of it and snap it in place. Alright, so try to drop this on here real quick. Well, I said it was real easy. I have to play around with it. Make sure everything lines up. Just like so. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stick the 4 tabs back in through the holes right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and set the Phillips screw in there. Slide it over like that. Get your Phillips. Stick it in there. Button it down. And what you want to do is take this Phillips screw back out. Find your pressure sensor. It's got a little dimple right here. It's got a hole and a tab. You just slide it in there. Lines up with the hole. Okay. I'm going to put that back in there. Okay. Get your plug, your connector. You're just going to stick it in there. Make that connection. Oh, there we go. And put the hose back in its placeholder right there. That's it. The last and final piece is, there was a little piece of zip tie or string or whatever here. You just want to grab these wires and kind of put them back in their place. Tie them down. Okay. And I had taken these blue clips out to give me some room to work with, but put those back in. Alright, so last thing to do is put the top back on and put it in place and plug it back in and start doing laundry. what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get my top back on, slide it into place. There it goes. You'll hear it when it drops. Push it forward. Get your Phillips screwdriver. Phillips. Tighten that sucker down. Tighten that sucker down. And that's it. All we're going to do is put her back in its place, plug it in, and we're done. Alright, so I got the unit back in its place and I got it plugged in. We'll push the power button and looks like we are back in business. I hope this helps y'all. It's a real easy process, real easy to do. There's a lot of YouTube videos out there that'll help out, and hopefully this is one of them. Hope y'all like it.